Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Suzuki GSXR600. This bike is still in excellent condition with a minor tip over on the left-hand side, and it's got just under 9,500 miles on it. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This Racing Colors edition, really, like I said, even though it's had a tip over on the left side, is really still in excellent condition. It's really clean. Front tires, great shape, plenty of miles left on that. It comes with CRG adjustable levers. A clear tank pad. Iodized boot guards. And a Yoshimura pipe. They also have a fender eliminator on this bike. And you can tell by the back tire that's got a lot of life left on it. Again, the boot guard. So we've got some scraping here on the engine cover. Hard to see, along with a little bit here on the middle fairing. Runs along here. Bar end and the edge of the mirror. But like I said, been tipped over, but very minor. I'll show you the miles here. 9419 is what's on it. I'm gonna set the camera down here. This GSXR600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own the sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.